Casper, where's Bailey? Is he right there? Do you see Bailey? Go get him.
What's my name?
Go get him.
What's my name? What's my name? Yeah.
He's like overly stimulated about you being here. Oh.
He's allergic to me too.
¿Me explican por qué se tienen que pelear encima de mí con tanto espacio que hay? Ah, sí, písame la espalda, no hay problema. Ya sabes, soy tu tapete.
I think you all know what's coming. Good morning, Gun. Look at that tongue. Are you hungry? Oh, baby hiss. Yummy, yummy. And now we got the big guy. Bye.
No, touch him. That's not touch.
Oh, look at Brody's present. Oh, get it, bro, get it. You got this. Oh,
He's biting, spitting the papers on the side.
Yeah. Oh, get it, bro.
I love you. 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 I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. No, I love you more. 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 You're okay to say that I won. I won this time. Yes, I won this time. I won this time, en fait. I love you.
So it's a ton of popcorn, girl. Eat it, girl. Go, 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 go.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
You're excited, aren't you? I know. You need to run it out. Okay. Okay. Go.
Remy, did you chew that?
That's not how you hold a baby, Senna. That's not how you hold a baby, Senna. Senna, that's not how you hold a baby. James, get him. What kind of babysitter are you, James? Look at that. Senna. Thank you. Yeah. Save the baby. Senna.
You think she's not? Watch. Why do you do that? Now watch. Why do you do that?
Jealous pet challenge. Whenever your dog is in another room or just isn't paying attention, act like you see something so adorable and see how they react.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Look how little it is!
Multi-pet household challenge. Show your oldest, your youngest, your biggest goofball, the one who gets in trouble the most, the one who never does anything wrong, and the best trained.
What'd you get? What's that? What else is in there, George? What is that? Let's open it up. What is that, George? It's from your friend Tracy, George.
Come on. Come on, let's go. You better get up here. Come on.
Minushka, Minushka, do you have comment? Your husband was taken to the gulag and now all you have to eat are beets to feed your children. Minushka, you have a comment.
Not there. Fuck a baby.
Where's my ball?
Which one? Pick. Okay. She picked mermaid. Okay. Yeah. Which one? Okay. Got a contour with that pretty bronzer you picked. Whoa. Got a special mermaid palette. Okay. She went for neutral, but I think we're gonna do that one. Got you a special mermaid brush. Yeah, it's so pretty. Yes, ma'am. Glitter mascara. Whoa. I love it. Yes, ma'am. I got you this mermaid thing too. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Look at your tail. Boop.